GetTransfer.com helps independent drivers and transfer companies to grow their business. We offer a comprehensive suite of tools and services to help you get started and grow your business. Our Driver Loyalty Program, DLP, is one of the most generous in the industry. We offer a wide range of request types, from airport transfers to taxi rides and deliveries. And we have a handy mobile app and website to help you manage your business. Our robot Auto Offers increases your revenue by automatically bidding on requests that match your profile. And our Airport Welcome Manager helps passengers at the airport, making it easy for them to find their driver. We offer 24/7 support in 21 languages, so you can always get the help you need. And our commission rates are among the most competitive in the industry. So why not join GetTransfer.com and start growing your business today? GetTransfer.com offers many benefits for drivers, such as the ability to be their own boss, deal directly with customers without intermediaries, and control prices. Loyalty programs are available for drivers, and there is a wide range of request types to choose from, such as Drive Now, Pre-Booked, and Season Plan. GetTransfer.com takes only a 5% commission for taxi and urgent requests, a 5% commission for transfers with 9 passengers, and a 14% commission for delivery requests. Automated offers, Metabus, and airport welcome managers are also available. Drivers can outsource work of dispatchers and setting up auto offers, and can get 24 hours, 7 days a week phone and email support in 21 languages.